Hello guys and welcome back to the Strange Incident channel. You're about to watch from cute to incredible stuff, so stay tuned.
The wind is trying to take them out, but nah, they are resistant. Really can't see how they still standing. I love pushing the wind away with my face. While enjoying the view with my fur playing around. What do you think about my voice? Should I join some howling competition? We are competing to see who would still stuck to the ground for a longer time. I would say my tail feels like I'm taking a hot bath. That feels awesome. Sometimes I'm allergic to water, but I enjoy it most of the time. Still competing, I warn you, you might be the judge. Water itself barely rubs me. Still standing to the end, I'm the real deal here.